Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Red color, green color, black color, yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for elephant, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids, now you draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color, the alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use black color, the alphabets of C, and use black color. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use blue color, the alphabets of D. It's now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Kids, now draw numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O-N-E, 1. Kids, now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use green color, T-W-A-2. Kids, now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, T-H-R-W-3. Kids, now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use yellow color, F-O-U-R, 4. Kids, now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color, F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now draw shapes, and first you draw square, the shape of square, and use red color. Kids, now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use green color. Kids, now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color, black color. Kids, now draw heart, the shape of heart, and use yellow color, yellow color, the shape of heart. Kids, lastly draw star, the shape of star, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.